Hey guys, my name is Yashasvi and I'm studying in B.Ed second year in KLES College of Education, Angola. So today let's discuss on the topic called human development and its principles. So first let's see what human development is. Human development is defined as the process of enlarging people's freedom and opportunities and improving their well-being. The concept of human development was developed by economist Mehboob ul Haq. Mehboob ul Haq was from Pakistan. Let's see the definitions. According to J.F. Anderson, development is a complex process of integrating many structures and functions. Here, the word integrating means combining. So, combining many structures and functions is the development according to J.F. Anderson. Then, according to E.P. Herlock, development is a progressive series of changes that occur in an orderly, practicable pattern as a result of maturation and experience. Progressive series in the sense successive series or the increasive series, which are arranged in a proper practicable pattern or a proper sequence due to the maturation and experience. Now let's move to the principles of human development. The first principle is development is a continuous process. So we all know that development is a continuous process and it starts from the child when it is in mother's womb and it ends when it goes to the tomb. That is, it is said that development continues is a continuous process that it goes from mother's womb to tomb. The next principle is development follows an orderly sequence. So the two sequences are cephalocaudal sequence and proximodistal sequence. So let me explain with the diagram. Cephalocaudal sequence is where the development takes place from top to bottom. It starts at the top and goes towards the downwards. That is in the development takes place first at the head, then at the neck, then stomach, and then slowly moves towards the leg. And whereas proximodistal sequence, it is the development which takes place in the center at the first and moves towards the outward. That is, the spinal cord develops first, then the shoulders, then the hands, and then finally the fingers. The next principle is development is rapid in early years. That is, in infancy to early childhood, in this period, the development is very much fast. Then in the later childhood, it slows. Then again in the adolescence age, that is early adolescence age, that is from 11 to 16, the development gets faster. The next principle is development is the product of interaction. Now, so it is the interaction between the heredity and the environment. Now you should know what heredity is. You know that heredity is nothing but the traits what we acquire or what we inherit from our ancestors. And what is environment? Environment is everything except the heredity. So the interaction between these two things is the development. The next principle is development is an individualized process. Yes. So the development differs from person to person. The type of development what takes in me is not necessary that it should take same in the person who is watching this video right now. So it differs. There are many changes. There are different developments in each individual. The next principle is development is predictable. Predictable in the sense assumed. We can assume what type of development is going to take place in a person, and that is done through, for example, in cognitive development, it can be done through IQ test. Okay, and there are several other tests to which helps us to predict the development. The next principle is the rate of development differs from one person to other. Yes. Now, for example, if my height is some 5 foot, then the person watching this video's height might be some 4, or it might be more than me, that is 6 foot. So the rate of development here, the height differs, and not just height. There can be the weight or the cognitive development or the social development, everything for that matter. So it differs from person to person. The another principle is development is a cumulative process. Cumulative in the sense it is increasing or increased in force, increased. It is a successive way. Development always goes in a successive way, so it never decreases, so it always increases. It is a cumulative process. Hope guys you understood what I have told till here, and yes, that's for it. Thank you so much.